Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we are solving maximum minimum word problems which comes as 5 marks in board examination, Cbse, and we are solving NCERT exercise 6.5. We have already solved some questions and rest questions we are solving. So today I am going to solve question number 23. You can read the question very carefully. Question is, prove that the volume of a largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 by 27 times of the volume of the sphere. That means you can see the figure. This is a sphere. Inside it we are putting a cone. Now when cone has the maximum volume, that means volume of the largest cone. That means cone has maximum volume. This is the meaning. First you should understand the meaning. And why we are writing maximum volume? Because we know that anything is maximum, its derivative with respect to a variable is always 0. We are applying this concept. It can be inscribed. It will be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. So this radius r is given to us and it is always constant. We have to show that when it is maximum, if volume is maximum, volume of what? Volume of cone is maximum. And what is the formula? You know, 1 by 3 pi r square h. It is maximum. Then that time same V is equal to 8 by 27 times of volume of sphere. Again, I am explaining. एक स्फीयर है, उसका अंदर हम डिफरेंट कोन डालते जा रहे हैं. देखा जाएगा कि जब ये कोन का वॉल्यूम मैक्सिमम होगा तभी क्या होगा ना, इसका कोन का वॉल्यूम स्फीयर का वॉल्यूम का 8 by 27 टाइम्स होगा. यही प्रूव करना है. और यहाँ रेडियस ऑफ स्फीयर दिया हुआ है, दैट इज योर कैपिटल आर. So let us take the cone radius and wall height. So BC is your radius of the cone and AB is the height of your cone. I am taking small h. And certainly as I have drawn a figure, you have to draw it. O I am taking as your center of the sphere. O is center of the sphere. Then here volume of the cone V is equal to, 1 by 3 pi r square h, and this is maximum. So I have to differentiate it. Now the question is, हम डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करें? विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू आर करें कि विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एच करें? हम नहीं कर सकते हैं जब तक ये एक में कन्वर्ट ना हो. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू आइदर चेंज आर इंटू एच और एच इंटू आर. For that we'll take the some relation. What is the relation? I'm just showing you. I'm not saying that this is the only way of solving the problem. You can solve in any way. I'm showing one way only. So here OA is equal to capital R, which is the radius of the sphere. And same thing, OC is also R. So what I'll do in OBC, in triangle OBC, I'll apply your Pythagoras theorem in OBC, which gives me the relation between R, H and capital R. OA is equal to R, so I can get your OB. Because see, AB is equal to H, the whole AB is equal to H, and OA is equal to R, then OB is equal to how much? H minus R. So let me write all these things, then it will be clear. First is AB is equal to your h of the cone, BC is equal to R, then your OB is equal to H minus R. Why? OA is equal to, I can write here first, OA is equal to radius of the sphere. OA is equal to radius of the sphere. OA is radius of the sphere. OB is equal to H, BC is equal to R, then OB is equal to OB is equal to H minus R. So in triangle OBC, I can write OB square plus BC square is equal to OC square. Why I am doing all these things? I am making a relation between R and H so that I'll convert and I'll differentiate, make it 0. So OB square is equal to H minus R whole square plus BC square is equal to small r square is equal to capital R square, OC square, or H square plus R square minus 2HR plus R square is equal to capital R square. I'll cancel these two, or this gives me R square. I'm making separate. R square is equal to H square. I'll take 2 right side, 2HR to right side. So this will be H square. Now I'll take this relation R square to replace in your volume. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi, instead of R square, I'll put this relation. So this will be 2HR minus H square whole into H. So multiply this, it will be pi by 3 multiply 2 H square R, this H will be multiplied minus H cube. Now I can differentiate now dV to dH. And what about capital R? R is not a variable, it is a constant, we have already written. So this will be pi by 3. Now 2h square, its derivative will be h square, derivative will be 4. So 4h into R minus h cube is 3h square. So this is equal to 0 because volume is maximum, we have already written. So this gives you 4HR minus 3h square is 0, or 3h square is equal to 4HR, or 3h is equal to 4R, or h is equal to 4R by 3. H is equal to 4R by 3. This is a relation, we got it. Now let me make some space here. Always try to write in a compact space so that it will easy for the invigilator to check. Now coming to H, we have got it. Now I'll go to volume. Volume is equal to V is equal to this, P is equal to V of volume of the cone I am writing. It is volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square. What is R square? It will be 4R. R square is R square. Where I should keep volume, I should take this expression. Then only H is there, I can get it. So always try to do where you will put the value so that it will be easy for you. So I am taking this expression. This will be pi by 3 and 2 h square. H square will be 4R by 3 whole square into R minus h cube. H cube is 4R by 3 whole cube. So V of volume of the cone is equal to pi by 3. Here simplify, 4 square 16 to 32 r cube by 9. If we'll do it correctly, minus this will be 64 r cube by 27, because I'm taking the cube. So how much it will be? Simplify this. 9 out, I can take outside. So this will be 27. It will be 32 r cube minus 64 by 3 r cube. Just go on simplifying. Volume of the cone is equal to pi by 27. It will be 96 minus 64 by 3 r cube. So how much it will be? 32. So 32 by 81 pi r cube. Now I'll separate this one, 8 by 27. So if I'll take 8 by 27, how much I'm getting? It will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Whose volume is this? This is the volume of the sphere. Because volume of the sphere formula is here 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of the cone is equal to 8 by 27 volume of sphere. So our question is proved. Now what? Verification. How to do verification? I'll go for dv to dh. So you have to prove that second derivative will be minimum, negative, because it is maximum. When it is maximum, second derivative will be negative. So dv to dh, I'll differentiate again, d square v to dh square. How much it will be? Pi by 3 constant. H derivative is 4r minus 6h. And what is h? H is equal to 4r by 3. I can put here. So this will be pi by 3, 4r minus your 24r by 3. That will be 8. So is this a negative quantity? Yes, this will be pi by 3 into minus 4r. So negative. So minimum verified. And maximum verified. Maximum verified. So thank you for watching. So keep on watching. We finished textbook exercise, but next we'll go for miscellaneous also. So share the video, like the video, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So be happy and have a nice time ahead.